Hey, Lucy. Hey, Lucia. How are you doing?
Good.
All right. Can you say okie dokie?
Duck.
Can you say okie dokie?
Ducky.
All right. Can you say ta-da?
Dada.
Can you say kiki ball?
Cookie ball.
Nice. Can you say apple juice?
Apple juice.
Very good. What else?
Cocoa bread.
Lucy, can you say cocoa bread?
Cocoa bread.
Lucy, can you do your toes? Do your toes. Do this little piggy. That's close. Lucy, can you say hair clip? Can you say upside down? Can you say tickle tickle? All right. Can you say ta-da? Nice job. Can you say Lucy? Oh, all right. What are you drinking?
Apple juice.
Can you sit on the chair, please? Good job. Thank you, little lady. Can you say rooster? Is Daddy getting you? Lucy, what does a rooster say? All right.
Rabbit. Mama. Do-do-do-do. Ta-da. Do you want a cup on your head? Oh!
Cup. Baby.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
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 Can you say slide?
Shut.
Do you want to show them your little human slide trick? Okay. Let's get you off the chair this slidey way. Wow! we didn't quite hit the right slide, did we? Oh!
Look at that.
Did you bonk your thumb? You want Daddy to kiss it better? Here. Oh, you got an ouchie there too? Okay. Is that better?